When women handshake, they just give the fingers for the handshake. When you are giving a half handshake, you are dealing with half people. And the chances of sales decreases to half. Day 37, Psychology of Selling by the great Brian Tracy. When we talk to a person, 55% of the message conveyed is through our body. 38% message conveyed is through the tone of the voice. And just 7%, only and only 7% is conveyed by what we speak. So if 55% is the body language, why not we focus on that? So I'll give 3 tips. First about the handshake, second about how we sit, and third, what if the prospect's hands are closed, arms are folded, his legs are crossed. The first one about the handshake. The handshake is the make or break, because it is the first physical contact. And with this first physical contact, the prospect judges your character. If you give a sloppy handshake, the prospect knows you are not a very firm person, you are not so confident, your character is not that strong, the integrity is missing, the commitment is missing. This is extended to the product or the service you are offering. He naturally comes to the conclusion that the product or the service is of B grade. And as I've already discussed, when women handshake, they give, just the fingers. As I've already told, half handshake is same as dealing with a half person. Give a full, firm, strong handshake. You will be concluded as a strong, confident person, and this is co-extended to the product or the service, the quality of the company, a rich company, right, who has integrity, commitment. Second, you handshaked with the person, you discussed everything, you are sitting face to face with person. If you are leaning backward, and your spine is not erect, this shows that you are not very caring about the purpose of the visit or about the purpose of why you are meeting with the prospect. You have to let the prospect feel that you are alert both mentally and physically. Sit erect, lean towards the prospect a bit, and feel as if you are in a marathon and you are just about to listen to the gun being shot and you are about to start the race. That should be the level of attention for the details. You you can't show the prospect that you are relaxed, you are uncaring by leaning backward and saying like that, okay, okay. Am I making sense? So 3 things: an erect posture, lean slightly towards the prospect, and stay alert. But the prospect will see, he'll imitate. Third, what if the prospect is having his or her arms closed, crossed like this? See, the environment can be cold, the temperature of AC can be low, but in majority of cases it has been seen prospect is not taking interest, and when he is his arms are crossed, his legs are crossed, it is acting as a barrier to what you are saying. It is not reaching to the prospect's mind. His mind is closed now. It's very, very important that you have to use your ingenuity, your creativity to open up his arms. You can ask questions about his watch, and he may show his watch to you, and when later you talk, he'll become more receptive to what you are saying. You can ask about the beautiful painting there, and he'll show, okay, that particular painting is made by this particular brush, so on and so forth. You can ask anything, like you can give your business card, your proposal, or you can show any product or service what you offer, right? So I used to show them this thing, so they don't cross their hands. Their arms must always be open, right? And similarly, like if their legs are crossed at the ankles, that means they are holding back information. You have to use some creativity to open up their ankles and make them free, right? Make their mind open to information. Let's summarize. First, handshake, firm, strong. Second, erect posture, leaning forward and very, very attentive. Third, use your creativity so that prospect is more receptive. Open up his closed arms. That's all. Thank you.